Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorials. Today our topic is all about properties of pure substance. And here is our sample problem. Water in a 5 cm deep pan is observed to boil at 98 degrees Celsius. At what temperature will the water in a 40 cm deep pan boil? So, pressure is equal to density times gravity times height. So, pressure is equal to the density of water, which is 1000 kg per cubic meter times 9.81 meter per second squared times the height, which is coming from 40 centimeter minus 5 centimeter, and then we get the 35 centimeter and converted it into meters. So times 1 kilopascal over 1000 kg per meter second squared. So calculating that in our calculator, we will get 3.43 kilopascals. So, at pressure of 40 centimeter is equal to 94.391. So, we will add the pressure at 35 centimeter. So, 94.391 plus 3.43, which we will get the value of 97.81. Now, looking at our property table, the temperature for pressure of 97.81 is 98.99. So, the final answer is 98.99. So, that is the temperature which the 40 centimeter deep pan will boil. Thank you for listening.